Okay, so now we're going to be doing multiplying and dividing integers. Okay, let me just get here. Okay. First of all, there's some rules that I need you to know. So, say we're multiplying a negative number by a negative number. Now you're going to have to know that this becomes positive. This is just something that you need to remember, okay? So, say we have a negative number multiplied by a positive number. Then you're going to get a negative number, okay? Say you have a positive number multiplied by a negative number. You're going to have a negative number. If you have a negative multiplied by a negative, a positive multiplied by a positive, then you're going to get a positive number, okay? These are just some rules that you're going to have to remember. Okay, let's move on to the first question. Okay, negative 6 times 9. So, first what we're going to do is we're going to look, okay, so this one has a negative, and this one has a positive. So if it does not show, so 9 is positive 9, okay? Even if it doesn't say positive 9, it still means that it's positive. Okay, let me just erase this. Okay, negative 6 times 9. So that's the same as negative, and whatever 6 times 9 is. 6 times 9, you should know, is 54. And so this equals negative 54. Okay. Next question. Okay, so negative 28 over negative 7. This is really messy. Let me just rewrite it. Negative 28 over negative 7. Okay, so negative 28 over negative 7 is the same as negative 28 divided by negative 7. Okay, so if you remember our rules, negative and negative are positive. So this is going to be positive, whatever 28 divided by 7 is. 28 divided by 7. And 28 divided by 7, you should know, is 4. So this equals positive 4, which is just 4. Okay. Okay, here's the next question. So you'll see that this has 2 steps in here. Okay, so if you have 2 steps, then you're just going to do the right one, the one on the left, and then the one on the right. So you move from left to right, okay? Negative 10 times negative 6, negative and negative are positive. Positive. So then this becomes positive, whatever 10 times 6 is. 10 times 6 times 6. And then, don't forget, multiplied by 4. And so, positive 10 times 6 equals positive 60 multiplied by 4. So, this 4 has a positive, right? And a positive and positive are positive. So, our answer will be whatever 60 times 40 is, positive 60 times 40, which is positive 6 times 4, which is 24, and then you put 2 zeros at the end. If you didn't catch that, I can write it here. 60 multiplied by 40. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. And then 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24, which becomes 2400. Okay? And so your answer is 2400. Okay, last question. 5 times 6 divided by negative 2. So you're going to start with the left, okay? The left thing is 5 times 6, which is just 30, divided by negative 2. So 30 has, oh, I should have done that in black. Oh, whatever. Okay, so 30 has a positive, and 2 has a negative. Positive and negative make negative. Okay? So, positive 30 divided by negative 2 will be negative 30 divided by 2, which is negative 15. And that's multiplying and dividing integers. Let's just go over the rules one more time. Here, so a negative number multiplied by a negative number, negative times negative, or divided by, I totally forgot to mention that. Divided by also works. Negative times negative, or negative divided by negative, is a positive. A negative multiplied by a positive, or a positive multiplied by a negative, and divided by is negative. Then a positive times or divided by a positive is a positive. Okay?